Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Borroe token. Now Borroe is spelled B-O-R-R-O-E. This token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. Their ticker symbol is ROE. If you go over to their page borroe.finance, you will see the live pre-sale and all the information over there. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Borroe Finance is the name of the project, Borroe is the name of the token, and ROE is the ticker symbol. So it says Borroe means to receive temporarily. It's not just funding, it's fuel for a Web3 revolution. So the world's first AI-powered Web3 blockchain invoice discounting NFT marketplace. Revenue stream loans and funding from the very community that utilizes Web3. So it says, to explain Borroe to a 10-year-old, it says, we help people get the money they need to keep their business running and growing. Sometimes businesses don't have enough money to pay for things right away, so we help them get the money they need now and then they pay it back later. We use a special computer system to make sure everything is fair and everyone gets what they need. So in a nutshell, that's what this project is. It says the traditional invoice financing market is estimated to be worth $3 trillion globally, with a projected compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 13.3% from 2021 to 2028. The size of the Web3 market, which includes blockchain-based technologies and cryptocurrencies, is difficult to estimate precisely, as the ecosystem is still evolving rapidly. However, according to a report by the World Forum, the overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is over $2 trillion and expected to continue growing at a CAGR of 11.7% from 2020 to 2026. So it says, by leveraging the benefits of cryptocurrency and applying them to revenue stream loans, we can create a new opportunity that offers businesses faster and cheaper access to capital, while also providing investors with higher returns than they would get from traditional investments. Furthermore, by using blockchain technology, smart contracts, and AI-powered risk assessment, we can automate the entire process, making it more efficient and reducing the need for human intervention. The unique value proposition, coupled with the innovative technology stack and strong management team, leaves Borroe well positioned to disrupt this traditional industry and capture a significant share of the global market. So their mission is to build the funding engine that drives a major portion of the Web3 ecosystem. The goal of Borroe Finance is to establish a credit line that will enable any Borroe member to use their future income and recurring revenue to obtain cash flow in a quick and decentralized way. And their vision, the ones who love the content and service are the ones fueling the business behind it. So within the ecosystem, we have the seller. So it says benefits of the seller is going to be revenue stream loans to buy stock, upgrade equipment, marketing acquisitions, or any other immediate business needs. Apply on the platform in 5 minutes. Application for funding approved within 1 hour. Borrow from 30 days to 12 months. Get cash as needed to improve cash flow. Less paperwork. Analytics and business insight. Sell large and small invoices. sell and repayment rewards, automated process, high security, streamlined approval process, etc. Then they have the marketplace. So some of the key features of the marketplace: instant funding and payouts, low transaction fees, high security, bug bounty programs, high scalability, fraud prevention, real-time tracking, efficient and quick approval processes, market buy, sell, and repayment rewards, etc. Then we have the buyer. So that's going to be low risk, low entry and investment rounds, high security, marketplace buy rewards, privacy and anonymity features, simple fee structure, etc. They also have case studies. If you want to review some case studies, they have links to Web3 gaming platform, royalty distribution platform, content creators, social media influencers, etc. All these different case studies. So the tokenomics, there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 18 decimal places, ticker symbol ROE. This is on the Polygon chain, the Ethereum side chain. 50% of the tokens goes to the public sale, 10% liquidity pool, 10% exchange listings, 10% marketing, 10% treasury, 5% team, 2.5% rewards, 2.5% partners. It says there is a buy and sell tax of 3%. And how that is split up is 1% gets burned, 1% rewards, 1% marketing. There's also a roadmap on here. So they go over at least 5 different phases that you could check out on their white paper. By the way, their white paper you can find on their webpage or at whitepaper.borroe.finance. Over there you can also find an audit coming soon, it says. They have a KYC verification by Block Audit. You could check that out. They have a pre-sale schedule on here as well. There's 7 different rounds, and the price increases as the rounds go. Now, if you go to their webpage, Borroe.finance, they have how to buy. They have the full white paper, dashboard, connect your wallet. They even have a chat box if you have any questions. You can enter a promo code if you got one. View their KYC. Now you can buy this token with either Ethereum, BNB, USDT, USDC, card, and more. So there's so many different ways to get this token. It goes over current stage, current price, remaining tokens, all these different things. They've been featured in at least 10 different news articles, 5 different socials they have at the bottom of their page: Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Discord, 2 different Telegrams. So much stuff. Go check it out, Borroe.finance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.